Abos din na ning pasibayong Felix Barrio sing kayang pet shop king syudad San Fernando kasabi na ning pamamuklat daring aliwapang negosyo king Pampanga. Lalam na ning Modified Enhanced Community Quarantine o MECQ. Makanyan man eya kanu matula uling bayo lami kapagbalik obra din kayang empleyado at in pamprosesong dalanan kalupan na ning pamangwang health pass manibatan king lokal ka panibalan. Balang paruminggo kanu, dapat kukwalang panibayong health pass ning magobrana. Ay tindyana naman kanu yung kimot na ganining LGU itamupin, dagdagabala yung pabayu-bayo kanong guidelines dikil kaniti.
All those times, atin yung somewhat of a variant si tangkay da, mag-mutate yung procedure da.
Adin mo naman kanong epekto itiking karelang operasyon.
Mawawalang itang manpower hours ka na dapat at chula king negosyo. And kasi balo mo naman, we can only open between certain hours, ne? So, ngayon, masakit, ditak na ka mo pinoras makabuklat, limited na ka, potang kay, mostly 2 hours, ne? At chula king triage center every week. Trying to get their kukunan din karelang work pass. I expect a little bit. Okay. Kasi we call ourselves a world-class city and business-friendly, pero kailangan we still have to live up to that. In business continuity, kaya baya mo naman kay disaster planning yan.
Ining Lunes, May 25, pepalwal yung panibayong guidelines ng LGU king pamangwang health pass. Dati kailangan na pang dumalan king health assessment at kumang health certificate ding magobra manibatan ka ring medical unit so clinic, biomedinan health pass. Karing self-employed naman, dapat la namang dumalan king health assessment iba't king health office king karelang lugar at barangay ing mamaya health certificate. Pero king bayong guidelines, mas simplified niya kanu. Para karing empleyado, employer, human resource officer daring micro, small and medium businesses, kailangan mag-download staysafe.ph application karing karelang mobile phones. Malyari ay ni karing Android users. Kung aliwayang operating system ang gagamitan, malyari ang i-access iti karing kayong browser o computer. Kailangan dalang pakibadang matapat ding kutang Kenny patungkol king karelang health condition at gagawan niya ini once a week. Ing resulta na ning karelang pakibat king staysafe.ph app, kailangan ding screenshot at padala ka rin karelang employer o HR officer. Kaibad na nini pa print lot, ipasa dala ka ring employer o HR officer di nga kolektang screenshots sa ring empleyado at ibiyaking City Employment Service Division o CESD. Balang medinang health pass ing empleyado. Valid lareting ing kilub ning adwang Domingo at dapat lang i-renew. In proseso ngay ni para yakano kareng ega na ganang Fernandinos at non-Fernandino sa magobra karing nanumang micro, small and medium businesses king kilub ning syudad. Sibukan miyang kuananan reaksyon ng Incident Management Task Force ng syudad pero ela makibat king text ampong awos mi. Pakisabi na namang Barrios king lokal ka panibalan.
Hopefully this is the last change to it. Sana aline mag-mutate ulit yung procedure tamo. Pero lingunan ke and I'll see how fast the city will respond and issue this health passes karing empleyado tamo ne.
Jennifer Salenga, CLTV News.